Our next problem is, if A is A comma 2, B is B comma 3, then x-axis divides AB in the ratio. So x-axis divides in the ratio. X-axis divides in the ratio minus y1 is to y2. Here A is given as A comma 2. This is x1 y1. And B is given as B comma 3. That is x2 y2. So your required ratio is minus 2 is to 3. So it is negative. Ratio is negative means 2 is to 3 externally. X-axis divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 3 externally. Next problem is, the point of trisection of the line joining minus 1 comma 2, 3 comma minus 4. Here A is minus 1 comma 2, B is 3 comma minus 4. Points of trisection divides in the ratio 1 is to 2 or 2 is to 1. First P divides AB in the ratio 1 is to 2. Therefore coordinates of P are 1 into 3 plus 2 into minus 1 by 1 plus 2, 1 into minus 4 plus 2 into 2 by 1 plus 2, that is 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 4 plus 4 by 3, that is 1 by 3 comma 0, that is P. And Q divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 1. Therefore Q is 2 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1, section formula this is 2 into minus 4 plus 1 into 2 by 2 plus 1. Therefore Q is 6 minus 1 by 3. This is minus 8 plus 2 by 3. That is 5 by 3 comma. This is minus 6 by 3 is minus 2. This is P and this is Q. Our next problem is, if A comma B comma C are collinear points such that A is 3 comma 4, B is 7 comma 7 and AC is equal to 10, then C coordinates of C are, here A is 3 comma 4, B is 7 comma 7. Find AB distance. AB is equal to root of 7 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 4 whole square, and that is root of 4 square plus 3 square, that is root 25 is equal to 5. AB is equal to 5 and given as ABC are collinear. ABC are collinear and AC is given as 10, implies they are like this. This is 5, this is 5. B is midpoint of AC. Point of AC, that is 7 comma 7 is equal to midpoint, means 3 plus, let C is x comma y, 3 plus x by 2, 4 plus y by 2. That is, therefore 3 plus x by 2 is equal to 7. X is equal to 14 minus 3 is equal to 11. 4 plus y by 2 is equal to 7, plus y is equal to 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. Okay, this is one method. So if A divides, if A is the midpoint, this AB is 5, AC is 10, then the ratio is 1:2. Then coordinates of A are 3 comma 4 is equal to, this is x comma y, B is 7 comma 7, that is x plus 14 by 3 is comma y plus 14 by 3, implies here x plus 14 by 3 is equal to 3, implies x is equal to 9 minus 14 is equal to minus 5. Similarly, y plus 14 by 3 is equal to 4, y is equal to 12 minus 14, that is equal to minus 2. Here C is minus 5 minus 2, here C is 11 comma 10. So you need to take both the cases, any answer might be there in the options. Next point, the points A is 1 comma 2, B is minus 3 comma 4, C is 7 comma minus 1 are collinear. Then the ratio in which A divides BC is required ratio is x1 minus x is to x minus x2. Here B minus 3 comma 4 is x1 y1, and A 1 comma 2 is x comma y. C 7 comma minus 1 is x2 comma y2. Now required ratio is x1 minus x, that is minus 3 minus 1 is to 1 minus 7, that is minus 4 is to minus 6, that is 2 is to 3. Our next problem is the ratio in which y-axis divides the line joining three comma 6, 12 comma minus 3. So y-axis divides in the ratio minus x1 is to x2. Here first point is 3 comma 6, that is x1 comma y1. Second point is 12 comma minus 3, that is x2 comma y2. the ratio is minus x1 is to x2, that is minus 3 is to 12, that is minus 1 is to 4. So here ratio is negative means 1 is to 4 externally. Y-axis divides in the ratio 1 is to 4 external. Our next problem is, if A is minus 2 comma 5, B is 3 comma 1 and P comma Q are points of trisection of AB, then midpoint of PQ is, here given that P comma Q are points of trisection of A minus 2 comma 5, B 3 comma 1, implies midpoint of PQ is same as midpoint of AB, that is minus 2 plus 3 by 2, 5 plus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 comma 6 by 2 is 3. Midpoint of PQ is 1 by 2 comma 3. Next problem, the coordinates of point, that is 2/3 away from minus 4 comma 3 to 5 comma 7 is, here let A is minus 4 comma 3, B is 5 comma 7. Required point is 2/3 away from minus 4 comma 3 to 5 comma 7. Let the point is Px comma y. So here AP is 2, PB is, AP distance is 2 by 3, PB is 1 by 3, that is 2 is to 1. P divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 1. So apply the section formula, 2 into 5 plus 1 into minus 4 by 2 plus 1, 2 into 7 plus 1 into 3 by 2 plus 1. This is 10 minus 4, 6 by 3, 14 plus 3, 17 by 3, that is 2 comma 17 by 3. Next problem is, the point whose coordinates are x is equal to x1 plus t into x2 minus x1, y is equal to y1 plus t into y2 minus y1, divides the join of x1 y1 comma x2 y2 in the ratio here given points. Let px comma y is x1 plus t into x2 minus x1 comma y1 plus t into y2 minus y1, and a is x1 comma y1 and b is x2 comma y2. Here p divides ab in the ratio x1 minus x is to x minus x2, that is x1 minus x is x1 minus t into x2 minus x1, x is x only, that is x1 minus t into x2 minus x1 minus x2. Here x1 gets cancelled, minus t into x2 minus x1 is 2. This is x1 minus x2 minus t into x2 minus x1. This is t into x1 minus x2. Here take x1 minus x2 comma. This is 1 plus t. x1 minus x2 gets cancelled, that is t is to 1 plus t is the required ratio. Sorry, this is plus here, so it will be 1 minus t. Required ratio is t is to 1 minus t. Our next problem is the perpendicular from origin on the line joining points p a cos alpha comma a sin alpha, q a cos beta comma a sin beta divides pq in the ratio. Here p is a cos alpha, a sin alpha, q is a cos beta, a sin beta. Perpendicular from origin is drawn. This is perpendicular, let it be OM. Here OP distance is equal to root of a square cos square alpha plus a square sin square alpha, that is equal to root a square is equal to a. Similarly OQ is equal to root of a square cos square beta plus a square sin square beta, that is also root a square, that is equal to a. Here OP is equal to OQ is equal to a. Therefore OPQ is isosceles triangle and OM is perpendicular to PQ, implies M is the midpoint of PQ. Therefore OM divides PQ in the ratio, midpoint means equally divides in the ratio 1:1. Our next problem is the abscissa of 2 points a comma b are roots of the equation x square plus 2ax minus b square is equal to 0, and their ordinates are roots of the equation y square plus 2py minus q square is equal to 0. Then distance AB is, here let A is x1 comma y1, B is x2 comma y2. Abscissa means x coordinates, ordinates means y coordinates. Here x1 x2 are roots of x square plus 2ax minus b square is equal to 0. Sum of roots is x1 plus x2 is equal to minus 2a. Product of roots is x1 x2, that is equal to minus b square. Similarly, y1 comma y2 are roots of y square plus 2py minus q square is equal to 0. Here also sum of roots is y1 plus y2 is equal to minus 2p. Product of roots is y1 into y2, that is equal to minus q square. Now distance AB is equal to root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. That is, here x1 minus x2 whole square can be written as x1 plus x2 whole square minus 4x1 x2. Here y1 minus y2 whole square can be written as y1 plus y2 whole square minus 4y1 y2. Now substitute the values. x1 plus x2 whole square is minus 2a whole square minus 4 into x1 x2 is minus b square plus y1 plus y2 is minus 2p whole square, y1 y2 is minus q square. That is root of 4a square plus 4b square plus 4p square plus 4q square. Under root 4 is, take 4 common, 4 into a square plus b square plus q square plus p square. Under root 4 is 2 root of a square plus b square plus p square plus q square is the distance AB.